Various ways to say how are you in different Igbo dialects. Let's go. Olia, olia. Anga, anga. Irikpole, irikpole. Imaga, imaga. Idikwa oyi, idikwa oyi. Ke ime, ke ka ime. Ole otu, ole otu. Nda, nda kwano. Ịdịkwa mma, ịdịkwa mma. Kedu, kedu. Kedu ka ị mere? These last two are Central Igbo, by the way. So these are the various ways to say how are you in various Igbo dialects. Let's go again. Olia, anga, irikpole, imaga, ịdịkwa oyi, ke ime, ole otu, nda.